Hi, this is Jay and welcome to my channel. The focus in this tutorial are the reviews for makeup products I bought on Shopee and local resellers at very affordable prices. Some products exceeded my expectations, so I highly recommend them if you just need to practice your makeup skills, but I also listed here the products I don't recommend as well. Let's begin with primer. This is Sace Lady brand. It has gel consistency, so it will be easier for you to apply and blend it on your face, and it still gives the illusion of minimizing the pores. After that is foundation. This is Magicstay Skin Perfecting Cushion Foundation by Perfect Diary in collaboration with Sanrio. This is the darkest shade but still looks lighter than my skin because it has cool undertone while my skin has warm undertone, so my tip is choose a foundation that matches with your undertone as well. So let's go back with the cushion. It comes with a puff, it blends easily and gives a dewy finish. It's also full coverage, so you can use it even without concealer if you're just trying to cover those less pigmented imperfections. Since I have really pigmented imperfections, I need to use this color corrector from Shawill. I like that it's easy to blend and its colors are well suited for all kinds of imperfection. By the way, the colors are buildable too, so you can apply thin or thick coverage on the area that needs to be neutralized before concealer. Next is concealer. This is W7 Camouflage Kit. I cannot recommend this one because no matter how much I apply, it still doesn't conceal and its consistency is dry, so I don't know if it's really a cream concealer. In short, the pigments and consistency are not enough for me. Next is loose powder from Carslan. I love that it doesn't leave white cast and it's set on my face perfectly. It also has soft and fine texture. I don't know how to describe it properly, but it's different from baby powder and other loose powders I tried before. For the eyebrows, I'll be using this W7 Model Brow Pencil. It is a mechanical type pencil and came with a spoolie. I love how pigmented yet blendable this one, so it's perfect for on the go and beginners in doing brows. I prefer using concealer as my eye primer so the eyeshadows will pop up nicely. Now, for the eyeshadows. This is the W7 eyeshadow palette. It's a dupe for Lorac Pro palette. I can say that it's a good palette except that there are some shades that have different colors when applied. But still, it's very pigmented and doesn't leave too much fallout, so I still highly recommend this one. Next is Gel Eyeliner by Focallure. I don't like this gel liner because it's dry and messy while applying, so I don't recommend it, but other products of Focallure like lip glosses are great and can be duped for expensive lip gloss brands. To add pigment to the line I created, I'll be using this liquid liner by Sace Lady. I don't recommend this one also because it's the reason why the line on the inner corner of my eyes got messed up. It's watery and the ink goes everywhere whenever I open its cup. For the mascara, I already disposed this mascara I used by Sace Lady because it has the same consistency with their liquid liner. By the way, I put false lashes after applying mascara, but I did not include it in my video. Next is contour. I'm using this W7 bronzer. I know it looks like Benefit Hoola bronzer, but it's cheaper and good too. I cannot compare it to Hoola bronzer since I haven't used Hoola bronzer, but I hope they almost give the same effect for contouring. The only downside of this W7 bronzer is it's very hard to blend, and as you can see here, I use different brushes to blend very well the left side between cheek and jaw. For highlight, I'm using this highlight powder by Sace Lady in the shade of HO3. This highlighter gives that natural healthy glow and it's not overpowering, so you can use it for your daytime makeup look. For the lips, I'm using this Carslan Red Lipstick. It's glossy and has a bit of orange hue. It's also not long-lasting, but it reminds me of vintage lipstick because of the shade and texture of this lipstick. For me, I love it since I'm a fan of vintage stuff, but if you don't want glossy and not long-lasting lipstick, then I don't recommend it. Lastly, this AVON lipstick in the shade of Divine Twig. I'm mixing it to hide the orange hue of the red lipstick I applied because I want to make it more of a cool undertone red to complement with my lips. This lipstick is my all-time favorite because of its great quality and shade that matches all skin tones. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day!